Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. Okay, let's see that what is Animal Kingdom explains. What is the basis of classification? In spite of differences in structure and form of different animals, there are fundamental features common to various individuals in relation to the arrangement of cells, body symmetry, nature of coelom, patterns of digestive system, circulatory or reproductive system. These features are used as the basis of animal classification, and some of them we are going to discuss in this. Levels of organization. What is levels of organization? See, they are cellular level, tissue level, and organ level and organ system level of organization is seen in organisms. In animals, cellular level means they are structurally sometimes multicellular but functionally unicellular. And tissue level means different tissues are there to perform the functions. Group of cells having same origin and they perform same function is called a tissue. And there are organ level, the tissues associated to form organs. Then organ level functions are seen and organ system level also. Okay, cellular level we can see that the phylum Porifera. Then tissue level you can see that is of the diploblastic organism phylum Coelentrates, and that of organ level you can see that Platyhelminthes. Now, echinoderms and chordates, organ have associated form functional systems, that is called organ system level. You can see that in higher organism, organ system level. Organ systems in different groups of animals exhibit various patterns of complexities. For example, the digestive system in Platyhelminthes has only a single opening to the outside of the body that serves as both mouth and anus and is called incomplete digestive system. And complete digestive system means there is two openings, a mouth and anus. Similarly, the circulatory system is also two types, that is open type and closed type. Open type, in which the blood is pumped out of the heart and the cells and tissues are directly bathed in it form. And closed type, in which the blood is circulated through series of vessels of varying diameters, that is arteries, veins and capillaries are there. And what about symmetry? Animals can be categorized on the basis of their symmetry. Sponges are mostly asymmetrical. That means you cannot cut into two equal halves through any plane. There are radial symmetry. You can cut into two equal halves through any plane. And there is bilateral symmetry, means you can cut the organism into two equal halves through only a single plane. See, this organism shows radial symmetry, Hydra, radial symmetry. And here you see that bilateral symmetry in the crab. Okay, you can get only two equal halves through a single plane. But in the other case, no, here it is any plane you can get two equal halves. Now, diploblastic and triploblastic organism. Animals in which the cells are arranged in two embryonic layers, an external ectoderm and an internal endoderm, are called diploblastic. Example, coelentrates. An undifferentiated layer, mesoglia, is present in between ectoderm and endoderm in diploblastic organism. See that here you can see that. See, a mesoderm is present in a triploblastic organism and a mesoglia is present in diploblastic. Okay, but ectoderm and endoderm are there present both the case. Those animals in which developing embryo has a third germinal layer, mesoderm is present, then it is triploblastic. Only two germinal layers, then it is diploblastic. Then what about coelom? Coelom means body cavity. If a true coelom, which is formed from mesoderm, such an organism is called a coelomate animal. If coelom is absent, then it is called axilomate. And in case the pseudocoelomate elements means there is false coelom is present. In that case, no, the mesodome is scattered as present as scattered pouches between the ectoderm and endoderm. Such a body cavity is called a pseudocoelom, and animal possessing them are called a pseudocoelomate. Example: as Helminthes. Acoelomate means there is no body cavity. Example: Platyhelminthes. Okay. Then next you can see that the figure, you see that in that the three diagrams are shown. No, in the first one is that here you can see that coelomate, the first diagram, then pseudocoelomate and acoelomate. Then segmentation. In some animals, the body is externally and internally divided into segments with a serial repetition. At least some organs. For example, in earthworm, the body shows this pattern called a metameric segmentation. It is called a metamerism. Notochord. You know that notochord is mesodermally derived rod-like structure formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development. In some animals, the notochord is present, then they are called chordates, and if it is absent, it is called non-chordates. Okay. Porphyret to echinoderm, they are non-chordates. Afterwards, the days of chordates. We are going to learn a chart, or a flow chart shows that, see, we can easily study. It shows the classification of kingdom animals based on common fundamental features. See, first you see the animal, the kingdom is Animalia. See, they are multicellular. Their level of organization, see that cellular level, then tissue or organ system level. Full animals are divided into, there is cellular level, tissue or organ system level. You see that the cellular level, there is no symmetry is there, body cavity, coelom is absent, but phylum Porifera, they are multicellular but functionally unicellular. But tissue or organ system level, you see that radial symmetry is there, bilateral symmetry is there. Radial symmetry, there is cylindrites and ctenophores are there. We will learn all these characters. And that of bilateral symmetry, what is there? Bilateral symmetry, there is the all other organism from there on, it is there. Okay, all the phylum are there. The phylum, after that, that is the Cylindrita is there, Rascalmendus is there, Platyhelminthes, then Platyhelminthes, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Chordata, all the phylum are included in this. Okay, so we will learn all this thing in detail. Okay, bye, see you.